Alright, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. Got a knife unboxing. Quite honestly, I just unboxed it and had this part of the unboxing all done, but I didn't hit the record button. So, so we're going to do it all over again. So, anyway, so as you can see, I got the Finnwolf from Cold Steel. What's it say? Anytime, anywhere. That's their slogan, I guess. So I actually popped it out of the Amazon box and everything, but we're not going to do that. We're going to pop it out and take a look at it. So it has a 3.5-inch blade, 7/7/8 AUS8 steel A. I believe that's Japan AUS8. 3.4 ounces, and the thickness on the backside is supposed to be 3 millimeters. And there's the warranty on the back. Warranty, whatever warranties are. Warranty, blah, 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 blah. There's a picture of the knife, the other side. Watch our videos, coldsteel.com. Alright, let's unbox it and pull it out. It has the triad lock. This is one of the reasons I bought it. What should I say? Featuring the triad lock. Yeah, Cold Steel Anytime at Ventura, California. All right. Get this up so I can see. Make sure I'm not missing. The Finnwolf. It's the green color. Green slash just green. It's like a green, almost very light colored green, almost old-fashioned army green. It has a Scandinavian grind. That means from right here down, it is one angle. There is not a secondary angle, so it goes down, and that's all there is. So most usually you don't get Scandinavian grinds on folders. It is a patent of a bushcraft knife. So let's take a closer look at the show side. It has the Finnwolf on it. Be very careful. This is very sharp. Finnwolf on it. It has like the plastic. They call it something, I don't know. Maybe when I look on the computer I could show you. It has a sweep right there. The pocket clip is forward or only tip up, but it could be left or right-handed carry, which makes it truly ambidextrous because you have this lock in the back. So it's really good for left-handed people. It is not deep carry, which might turn some people off because it will be exposed out of your pocket about that much. So if that bothers you, you probably do not want this. I personally like, they have different colors. They have red, bright orange, and a blue color. I got this because I usually wear like khaki pants, so I figured to blend in. I really like the color blue, but I decided to get the green color. Has a deep care. Well, the clip is really nice. Has the Cold Steel engraved, or not engraved, kind of just Cold Steel is on the it's like punched in it. You can see it there. Cold Steel. You see that? Yeah, Cold Steel. It's upswept, so they slide in your pocket easy. This 3 millimeter edge right there. You can see it. Let's see if I can get this. It's not really showing it very good. It looks like it's centered pretty good, actually. You gotta break it in a little bit. It really feels like it snaps in there real nice. I want to take a look at this one, Vicky.
Yes.
She already looked at it. So here's her. She did a really nice, wonderful opinion. And
I did. It was so natural,
but we forgot to record it. So here's the knife.
So I'm going to tell you, I already know what I don't like about it, so this will be a lot quicker.
Yeah, so here's the knife. I got the box here, so you can, what side are you on? You're on the show side or the clip side? She's on the show side. What don't you like about it?
Here's what I don't like about it. First of all, I don't like the plastic.
She don't like the plastic, because it does feel plastic.
It
but
feels like a toy.
But does it feel like it's slip out of your hands? Does it feel like it's not?
It's not very grippy. No.
Okay, all right. I thought it was pretty good.
I don't feel it's very grippy at all. No.
Okay.
Before I go through the rest
Oh,
of
look at you smacking.
What I don't like, I do like the blade.
She likes the blade. It's like, do you like how it's chrome look?
I like the look of it. I like the feel of it. I don't know.
She likes it. The blade.
I like it, and it's really super sharp.
Once
right out of the box.
the Scandi blades are sharp.
As far as and the lock is really nice and
strong.
Strong.
It's supposed to be the triad lock once again, featuring the triad lock.
What I don't like, whether it's open or whether it's closed, down here at the bottom where the tip is, this is sharp.
She is talking about this part right here. She says it's sharp and hits her
right
hand
here.
a little bit.
And when it's open, all this part is.
She don't like where the fold. Let me see how.
All that's in here.
She thinks this stuff is sharp on her right here.
I can feel that.
Yeah, I can feel a little bit. It's kind of sharp when I rub my hand.
It's sharp and it grabs my fingers. You can keep it.
All right.
But the only other cool little thing that I thought was it looked like there was a bottle opener at the bottom of it.
Oh yeah.
Close it up.
Yeah.
And it looks like a.
I was just making sure I was recording still. Yeah. So here's what she's referring to.
It looks like a little bottle opener.
You see the little. It looks like a little bottle opener.
If I had a bottle, we'd try it.
Yeah, I'll have to try that. So let's look at.
So what I do like about it is the blade.
The blade, which that's one of the reasons I bought it. The blade, the edge.
You go.
But I do like a lot of it.
I wouldn't carry it. I wouldn't pick it up.
Wow, I am gonna carry it, and I like it, and I think it feels really comfortable in the hand.
It's too light. I like something with a little weight.
Yeah, the balance would be off if you don't like that, but I like it. She's more critical than I am, I guess. I'm trying to think. It's like, I kind of like it. Let's take a look at other pictures of the. Let me check this out for you. Go to this screen here. So here's the blue color. This is. Let me check this to see the blue color right there.
Yeah.
I like that color, but I thought it'd really show in the pocket if it is, because it sticks out of the pocket.
I'm not fond of blue knives.
Yeah.
So I like the color of it too.
Okay. So anyway, this is Blade HQ 7. They have basically, you could read the specs: 3.5 blade length, for being a 3.5 inch blade. It don't really feel like a 3.5 inch blade. It don't seem super big. To you, it just seems.
No, it's a nice size.
It's like very nice. I'll show some comparisons here. It has AUS8a, which is supposed to be made in Japan, but it don't say Japan. It says Taiwan. So I'm guessing the knife was made in Taiwan. But I think I seen the Cold Steels do the commercials or whatever they do, that it's made. The AUS8 is from Japan. It's AUS8-A. It's AUS8a. Okay. And it's the Scandi grind, satin finish, plain edge type. Pop over to Amazon where I got it. This is what I got. I got the green colored. It's like $31. Has a rating of 4.7 out of 5, 81% 5 stars, and a few 1 stars. You can see the texture on the knife handle, and see, it weighs 0.2 pounds. Get off here. Sport type hunting. Let's see. So the triad lock weighs 3.4 ounces. So there's kind of the two websites. go back here and take some looks. Let's try to do some size comparisons. Alright, back to here. So, here's the knife. I'll do the Tenacious. A lot of people have the Spyderco Tenacious. It's very... Let me get down here, see if I can't get more of a down angle on it. Get a high... I guess I can't. Oh, yeah, we can. I'll try to get this facing down on it. That way it's kind of more of a true comparison. Ooh. So you can see the Tenacious is the handle on the Tenacious is a little shorter, looks like, and the Finnwolf blade, the blades are about the same, pivot to pivot. Blades very close to it. It's really, actually it looks like the Spyderco is a little shorter if you go pivot to pivot. So that's the Spyderco Tenacious. Very common knife. A lot of people have. A lot of people have a Rat 1. I do not have a Rat 1, but I have the Firebird version of the Rat 1, which is almost like a copy of a Rat 1. As you can see, the Rat 1 and the Finnwolf are very, very much kind of almost the same size. This would be this would actually be almost the same size. So there's, I'll switch spots. Yeah, we forgot to get crackers at the store today.
I'm looking at a Nabisco cracker at the junk store.
That's funny. At 10. All right, yeah. So there's the Finnwolf and the like, oh, I don't know if you can see the way the light's reflecting. See that edge right there? That's the secondary bevel on most all knives have. The Scandi, if you look, there is no secondary bevel. It's straight to the edge. So that's what makes it. I do like the satin. You know that, Vicky? It does look good. The satin finish.
It's a very beautiful blade.
Yeah. So let's get there's the Spyderco and the Ganzo, which this was the Ganzo Firebird. This was the 727 medium. Alright, and then the last size comparison is the Gerber flat iron. So the flat iron looks to be about the same blade length. The handle on the flat iron's longer. You'd probably like this one then, huh?
What?
Nice heavy knife. The flat iron.
I don't like the flat
She don't like the flat. It's hard to open. Okay, you might do.
I like
it's
the
heavy.
Weight. I like the feel.
That's that copper.
It's
hard to close out.
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess I would like it in the kitchen.
It does, yeah.
You know my favorite knife, the Warrior.
Actually, I have that right here. I was going to compare it because they're both woodsy type. This is more outside. This is the Warrior, much bigger knife.
I love the Warrior.
The Warrior, but it's funny you mentioned that. I brought this in to show one thing about the Warrior. Warrior has a D2 still, which it rusts. If it's already, we had it in the kitchen.
Oh, I just used that in the kitchen.
Yeah, and if you look on here, you can see the blade is rusting already.
Oh.
But I mean, it's still here. It's still good. It's meant to be a hard use knife, but D2 still has a tendency to rust really easy. It's tooling still. It's hard as anything, but AUS8.
We won't use it in the kitchen again.
Well, like I have a AUS8 is more stainless. The more stainless you have in a knife, the less likely it will be to rust. So if you're doing stuff in actually a kitchen, you wouldn't really want to. No, I mean, this is a hard. This is actually
my favorite knife.
This is her favorite knife, but it's a hard use knife. This I had this out and I was you know, splitting wood, but this is a much larger knife, and that's why I brought this out, because I thought this is what I thought of when I thought of the Finnwolf. It's like, I guess if Finnwolf had the next size up, then it would be very comparable. But D2 still, everybody loves the D2 still, but I mean, it does rust. I mean, it don't matter. I mean, you take a strop to it, and I mean, it's still gonna, you know, go away. But there is negatives to every steel. If you look on Blade HQ, they have a nice chart how everything compares to like how corrosion and stuff. But anyways, so there's like some size comparisons. Well, it's already been 15 minutes and 20 seconds. So
that's too long.
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. Oh, before you guys go ahead and
no, right.
Ring that bell. Oh, you can't even see the bell. Let's come down here. All right, that's a good one. Ring that bell. Like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. And thanks for watching. See you the next time.
Bye.
Bye. Here's some slice testing before I go. Oh yeah, just so you know, the Scandy Edge is the next. Yeah, Scandy Edge.
That is sharp.
All right. See you later. Bye.